Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to convert image into PDF on Android. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. For converting the PDF image to PDF, you will simply open the Chrome. Here at the Google search, you will write simply convert image to PDF online. So after searching it, you will scroll down and here is the www.ilovepdf.com. So this is the website where you will convert the JPG file to PDF. So let's open it. So here simply is the option of select JPG files. You will simply tap any of the picture from your gallery which you want to convert it in PDF. So we will tap on any of the picture we want to select, and here you simply tap on convert to PDF. So it has been converted. You will simply download from here by tapping on the download option, download PDF. Okay, so here is download again. So we will open with Drive PDF viewer, and you can see the PDF file has been converted. So this is the file have been converted to PDF. So this is the simple process of converting the image into PDF on Android. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.